It's not always true that a man is only as good as the tools he uses. However, when it comes to hairstyling, it's gospel. Whether in the hands of a salon expert or an at-home novice, a quality pair of hair clippers makes all the difference. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best hair clippers you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Experience professional-grade hair grooming with the Wahl Professional 5 Star Cordless Senior Clipper, ranked as the number 5 best hair clippers. Crafted for precision and versatility, this clipper is tailored for traditional tapering, fading, and intricate clipper work, including zero gapping for meticulous results. Its robust, high-powered motor ensures seamless blending whether you're creating hard or soft fades. The lever allows for easy adjustment of taper and texture, empowering you to achieve the perfect look with every use. Encased in durable metal housing, this clipper is built to withstand the rigors of frequent use. Included with the American-made Cordless Senior are 3 premium metal clip attachment comb cutting guides, a recharging transformer, a styling comb, a cleaning brush, clipper blade oil, and comprehensive operating instructions. Compact and lightweight at 6.25 inches and 13 ounces, it offers the freedom of cordless operation powered by a lithium-ion battery, delivering a generous 70 minutes of runtime per charge. Priced competitively at $132, Wahl's Cordless Senior Clipper combines professional-grade performance with convenience, making it an indispensable tool for barbers and stylists alike. Meet the Suprent Pro HC5 96. Ranked as the 4th best hair clippers, this professional cutting kit has undergone rigorous testing to ensure precision cuts, earning accolades from barbers worldwide. With 6 metal guide combs for the hair clipper and 3 guide combs for detail trimming, your styling possibilities are endless. Crafted with premium all-steel blades, the clipper's carbon steel head guarantees enduring sharpness, catering to all hair types. Experience meticulous detail trimming and professional styling with carbon steel blades and a fine adjustment lever, allowing for precise control over hair length. The T-blade facilitates intricate styles like carving, tapering, and fading, ensuring impeccably defined edges. Plus, its adjustable 0mm feature elevates your cutting prowess to achieve seamless shaves. Powered by a long-life Li-ion battery and featuring an LED smart display, this clipper offers cordless convenience with a full day's work on a single charge. Priced at $89. The Wahl Professional 5 Star Cordless Legend stands out as the 3rd best hair clipper for its exceptional performance and versatility. Crafted for professionals, this clipper boasts a wide fade range from 0.02 to 0.06 inches, making it perfect for intricate fading and tapering tasks. Its upgraded metal taper lever ensures seamless fades, while the Wahl's wedge blade, with its deeper and longer teeth, effortlessly cuts through thick and textured hair, outperforming competitors. Designed to withstand the demands of busy barbershops and salons, the Cordless Legend features a powerful motor that remains robust whether tackling wet or dry hair. With over 100 minutes of cutting time, it ensures uninterrupted workflow, and the option for corded use while charging adds to its convenience. The inclusion of 8 patented premium cutting guides, along with essential accessories like a styling comb, cleaning brush, and clipper blade oil, enhances its value and usability. Made in the USA, the Cordless Legend embodies quality craftsmanship and reliability. While its appearance may vary slightly due to continuous improvements, its performance remains consistently top-notch, priced at $139. Introducing the Novah Professional Hair Clippers for Men, ranked as the number 2 best hair clippers in the market. Designed and rigorously tested in some of the world's finest barbershops, this barber kit is engineered to deliver precision cuts for men from all walks of life. Now, the same professional-grade cordless hair clippers trusted by top barbers are available to everyone. What sets Novah apart is its unparalleled craftsmanship. With insights gleaned from decades of collaboration with elite professionals, Novah offers a clipper that knows no bounds. Boasting 6 premium guards, a variable gauge adjustable head, 4 trimmer guards, and the sharpest blades available, it empowers users to unleash their creativity without constraints. Precision is paramount, and Novah delivers. Its wireless design allows for shaping, outlining, and creating the most defined looks with ease. Tackle even the thickest hair effortlessly with industry-leading power and achieve razor-sharp edges with the Supreme Outline Trimmer. Priced at $99 US. Say hello to the Wahl Professional 5-star cordless magic clip, the pinnacle of hair clipper technology. Engineered with Wahl's patented stagger tooth blade, this clipper sets the standard for seamless blending and precise texture creation, whether you're executing a sharp fade or removing bulk. Its cordless design offers unparalleled freedom, enabling stylists and barbers to move with agility and ease. The Magic Clip delivers more than just exceptional performance. It provides an auditory cue with its distinctive crisp, crunch sound, ensuring every cut contributes to a flawless finish. Crafted with durable yet lightweight housing, it's built to withstand the demands of all-day professional use. Included with the American-made cordless Magic Clip are 8 attachment comb cutting guides, ranging from 1/8 to 1 inch, offering versatility for various styles. Additionally, it comes complete with a recharging transformer, cleaning brush, clipper blade oil, and operating instructions, making it a comprehensive solution for all your grooming needs. Compact and weighing a mere 10 ounces, this clipper measures just 6.25 inches in length, making it ergonomic and easy to handle. And at a price of $100 US, it's an investment in precision and quality that's within reach for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.